Do you like boxed mac and cheese, aka craft dinner? If yes, then stay tuned because I have 6 different toppings that you can add on top of your mac and cheese to make it amazing. Let's do it. Look at this. We have apple bacon, we have cheeseburger, we have broccoli and cheese, we have sausages and bacon, caramelized onion bacon, and sausages and Parmesan. 6 different topping that you can add on top of your craft dinner or mac and cheese, boxed mac and cheese, or even regular mac and cheese to make it amazing. The first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to put all of the craft dinner pocket cheese thing into a bowl and then add a little bit of milk. I didn't follow the instruction because I was making a better sauce. You add a little bit of milk or milk substitute until you get a paste in which you will add the pasta that you cooked. Cook the pasta for 2 to 3 minutes less than what the packaging say. Otherwise it will get mushy. And then you want to mix that together like you would do a regular boxed mac and cheese and separate that into different portions. It is important to not put too much liquid because you will have a soup. You can either follow the instruction or just add a tiny bit less milk in it. Then, for the topping, we have some bacon, which you just simply have to cook the bacon. And you want to cut it into small pieces. And you want to do the same thing for the sausages. You want to cut the sausages into small pieces and you want to grill them into a pan. You just grill the sausages and you want to preheat the bacon as well. And you put that aside and you just add it on top of your mac and cheese, the grilled sausages and the bacon. And that's mac and cheese number 1. Bacon sausages. Next one, you want to do smaller pieces of sausages. Those are vegetarian sausages that Luigi picked, but you can use any kind of sausages that you like. It can be Italian sausages, could be hot dog sausages, could be whatever flavor you like. Then you want to grill them like you did with the other one. I'm using a little bit of bacon fat. And when they are grilled to your liking, you add it on top of your mac and cheese with a little bit of Parmesan. And that's it. That's mac and cheese number 2. Or mac and cheese number 3. You want to use a little bit of bacon fat again and some onion. You want to caramelize those onions, so low temperature for a long time. I eventually removed from this and put it on my other stove to keep cooking. And I cut some pre-cooked bacon that I had cooked myself into small pieces. Once everything was ready, I added the onion and the bacon on top of the mac and cheese. And that's it. It is ready. I don't know how much we did. Did we do 3? I don't remember. Anyway, this one, broccoli and cheese. So you'll want to grill the broccoli just a little bit. You just want to grill it a little bit in the pan with some bacon fat, salt, pepper, until the green of the broccoli is a little bit brighter and it seems like it almost glow in the dark. It just looks a little bit more green. And then you want to make a cheese sauce, which is basically a bechamel, but with a shit ton of cheese. You want to start with some kind of fat, either butter or bacon fat, as I was using on that day because I have some in my fridge. And then you want to add a 1/4 cup of flour. You want to whisk that until you get a thick paste. Once you get that paste, you want to let it cook for maybe a minute or 2 until it gets lightly golden. And then you want to drizzle some milk over time until you get a rich and thick sauce, but that there is no chunk left. You want to add some salt and pepper and 2 cups of shredded cheese. You want to mix everything together. If you have some craft dinner powder extra, you can use that, or boxed mac and cheese powder, whatever you have, into the mix. If necessary, you can add a little bit more milk until you get a smooth, rich, and creamy texture that tastes like cheese. You want to put the broccoli into the bowl of mac and cheese, and you want to add a big spoon of the cheesy sauce on top. Next one is the Cheeseburger Bacon mac and cheese. That sounds weird, but it was really good. It was special, let's say. you want to start by dicing some pickles, whatever pickles you like in your burger. That's the goal. It's the cheeseburger. So if you like sour or garlic or sweet pickle, use those, and you want to put that onto some either ground beef or tofu ground beef, which is what I used. You want to add that into a pan with a little bit of the onion that we cooked earlier, or simply with an onion. And once it is hot and cooked, you want to add that on top of your mac and cheese, and you want to add a big spoon of that creamy cheese sauce that we just did. And that's it for the hamburger mac and cheese. Next one is the apple bacon mac and cheese. We already did a real apple bacon mac and cheese, but this one is a boxed one. It is what inspired me to do this one. So you want to dice an apple and put it into a pan for cooking, just so that it tastes a little bit sweeter and it's a little bit softer. And you want to add that into a bowl with some bacon, and that's it. That's our 6 mac and cheese. Apple bacon, cheeseburger, broccoli, bacon sausages, caramelized onion and bacon, and sausages and Parmesan. There's not a lot of technique in this video, but it's mostly inspiration for you guys to have some ideas for how to make box mac and cheese a little bit better. I know time's a little bit rough right now with everything raising, the prices and everything, so these are a good alternative to add some taste into a cheap meal and still have an amazing meal that tastes good and still cheap. So I hope you guys try at least one of them, and if not, that's okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my video, and I will see you guys next week for another video. I'll see you soon. Bye bye!